So now let's see how we can work around with high pass filter inside of GIMP. So in order to apply the high pass filter, you need to go around onto the filters menu right here. And then what you need to do is you need to go around over here onto enhance, and you can see that high pass is an option. Once you go around and do that, you can see that it actually applies the high pass, and you can go around and apply the amount right here. So if I were to go around increase it, you can see that you can make it more softer, or you can make it more sharper right here, just like this. You can also go around and change around the contrast of the high pass, as you can see right here, just like this. You can go around, change around the opacity of the high pass right here, just like this, around over here, and you can see that the bright part of the image actually gets focused. You can go around over here and then utilize the blending modes over here, just like this as well, and get the effect that you want. Once you're happy with the output right here, you can go around and then press OK. You can also see the preview right here of the before and after, and see the split view just like this as well. So once I go around and disable this and then press OK, then this is what you have, as you can see. And that is how you can work around with the high pass effect inside of GIMP. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.